Welcome to my channel. Let's get started.
The components that we will be using for this project are IR receiver module, Arduino Uno, relay module circuit, small fan, light bulb, remote control. Follow the circuit as shown on the screen. Now upload the sketch. For the circuit diagram and code, visit my blog. The links are down in the description. By pressing 1, the light turn on. By pressing 2, it's off. By pressing button 3, the fan on. By 4, it's off. I am turning on both the light and fan by pressing 1 and 3.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.